That's the real link. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Since my problem is there are so many coaches, my courses by using specific trains, so I have to use another number of separate trains. So now I'm gonna couple into the card. Then I'm gonna take it out. Yeah, okay. Now we can do something else. So now I'm gonna delete something else, and I think I could take this out of the track. This one too, and we cannot delete this because the spawn is under the tracks. But I can delete this. Now I'm gonna delete that, but I don't know. So I'm gonna push it. Okay. What? It's connected. I have to decouple it. After decouple it, and boom, it's down. Now I'm gonna take some code to. Here we are at the garage. Okay, before I could collect the restaurant, I had to delete some things. And first, I had to delete the metro train. Okay, this is the first one. We have to delete the passenger train that's already here. That's the couple. Okay, I'm also going to delete these other cars. Yeah, we don't need so much. And you can see this one. I also delete this. Okay, so this the videos. I can delete this one and this coach. Now, we also have another one. And I can see two things. This one is still search and also how, okay, we couple it and we have to delete it. Fine. Then you can see an Amtrak train. Oh my god! Yeah, my train that I taken from my other video, like 0 to a time chassis system from 1973-7. How to get here? No wait, I drive it. I'm stuck at this screen of the real of my train. Okay, we have to decouple and delete the local. Okay, we taught me something.